Hello YouTube. I am doing another Guardsman movie right now. I'm gonna have to make this a quick video because I got errands to run today. But I'm just gonna do the day room and the living room. Here we go. This vacuum has really impressed me. I really like this vacuum. It does a great job. And the dirt cup, it ain't leaked. So, I guess I might as well change my thoughts about it. Yeah, if any of you ever need a commercial vacuum for the job, this has also been put on my recommendation list. So, this ain't a weekly vacuum, it's just a movie to show this doing the house. So I will recommend one of these for the job. 50-foot power cord. So here we go. Alright, we'll move on to my parents' room, then we'll do my room, and we'll be done with this one for this movie. I will, right off the bat, tell some information about this vacuum. This vacuum, although the brush is noisy when it's winding down, it doesn't actually make noise when you have it on, which is a good thing. Also, one more thing I will note that I don't like about it is it doesn't come with a headlight. I like vacuums that have headlights on the front. So, even though there are things I don't like about it, there are things I do like about it. Now, I'm starting to think that some of the one that I saw, I hope Vac-Master the Great doesn't mind me mentioning him in a video. I'm starting to think that the one he got, just, had problems, was starting to have problems before he got it. Yeah, he said it didn't seem to pick up worth anything. So I'm starting to think that maybe that was a problem that it had before he got it. Like, maybe it was used heavily and it started having problems. But also, another thing I will mention is the brush roll doesn't seem to be a problem. Yeah. So, good vacuum. It agitates really well, too. Here we go again. Something else worth mentioning about this is I actually took the end caps off the brush roller and it's just bushings in there. It's not actual ball bearings, but it doesn't seem to affect the performance. The bushings are actually pretty good sealed in, so there ain't really been anything getting in it. I actually, when I got this, I took the motor apart. The carbon brushes don't look like it's seen a lot of use. And the motor is clean. And all that. So I did all this after I did the versus and comparison test between my sanitary and all the unpacking. So yeah, it doesn't look like it's seen a lot of use. I would recommend one of these. It's got bushings, but they're sealed. It doesn't have a way for anything to get in them and damage it. Another thing worth mentioning is you would want to keep the dirt cup bag clean. Like sweep it out or let it... What I do when I have a dirt cup bag or a shakeout bag is after I empty the thing, I put it up, I put the opening, like if it's shakeout bag, I take this off and empty it. Then I put the opening in the dumpster, or just let it down and turn the vacuum on and let it blow anything, like any fine grit or anything that might blow out of the bag when you turn it on the next time, and all that stuff. So yeah, and something else, one more thing worth mentioning. These actually, the brush roll actually rattles when they're brand new, but the thing does not do that. It does not rattle enough to notice it when it's on and running. So it's not really going to be nerve inducing or raging. When you're using it, it will be a little annoying to get it put together. I actually had this rod upside down when I showed it. There's a little groove down here where the cord goes in, and I had that up here when I first put the first rod on. So that's something worth mentioning. I had to switch it out when I had the video paused. But yeah, I would recommend these if you have a commercial business, and if you already have a vacuum that's wide track, this could be a good vacuum for post vacuuming, or just regular old vacuuming and before carpet cleaning, or vacuuming period. So tell me how you guys liked it, tell me what you guys would like to see, and I'll see what I can do and how I can do it. So until next time, see you later.